Yo, welcome back to the channel. Y'all, on this BMW 325i, we're about to change out the stern column. Y'all, gotta take this cover off. Philip head screwdriver, y'all.
Got a couple tabs over here. Just pop those out.
Had to get the needle nose, y'all.
I hate it.
That's it.
I think you got a tap back here. And I'm probably gonna take it all the way down. I'm probably just gonna let it hang so I can get access to it. Something like that. And then we got two tabs. We got one right here. One right here, you take your screwdriver, you push up, let that lever down, and it should just come out. This is so easy. These are the tabs you gotta push up. Take that part out, take that part out, and then just stick it back in there, right there.
We got, I guess it's about 4 bolts. One right here. One right here. You shining up there? One right there. Then one on this other side. You probably can't get the camera up there, but
you got one right there.
that's it.
One right there with that light at, and you got one over here. And you got 2 down here. But it's very few plugs on here. You got a plug right here on this shaft that goes right here. You gotta make sure you all unplug this one. And it goes to this little black box right here. Let's see.
Also, y'all, don't forget to unhook your battery too.
If you got a battery, get your screwdriver, put down inside of that thing right there, and pop her. And that goes to this sensor right here. This right here, I know it's just a case, I guess, that goes on there. I can pop that off, but the main plug, this plug right here, ignition switch right here, it goes right here, and there's a tab over here, right here on the side. You pull out, and the plug just come off. This plug right here, totally different. You got the tab. It goes right here. There's a tab on the side right here. You squeeze and pull out. Now mind you, this cable.
Let's turn it. Let's twist.
This cable. Turn, pull out. Y'all see that? Did I do it too quick for you? Did I do it too quick for you? It turns like that. Get your finger, turn it, snap it. Okay? Alright. And there's another plug right here at the bottom. Push it in. Same kind of tab as this green one. You push it in. It goes for your signal. It's your signal switch plug. And you squeeze it in, pull it out. Those are really the only plugs that I do see.
Oh, no. You got it might be on. It's some up on the top. You got, I don't know if it's gonna come up here. You got one right there. Right over here. One up here. You gotta pull that one out of here. Oh, I can't get it right now, but here we go.
Pop them tabs off. These just for your wire harness people. Pop them tabs off. Get your little handy dandy screwdriver. See that?
This is coming off.
Y'all see the wires coming out the case. You just want to clear it. Get it out your way right there. Move it to the side. And there goes your wires on your electrical side.
Is there some down that way?
No, ma'am. The back one.
Alright, y'all.
There's one nipple.
Did they see that?
Y'all see where they got that from.
Okay, and the other one. They size 13s also, y'all. 13 millimeter.
Ooh.
Oh, hold on, it's falling down. Yeah, y'all make sure you watch your head when you're on the hill because I'm trying to hold it. Oh, hold on. Okay, come down.
Y'all see those bolts? You got 3 on it. You got 1, 2, then you got another one over there. That's the 3rd one.
Alright, y'all, now we gotta go outside of the car.
Okay, y'all, we up under the car, get ready to take this. By the way, I am the fix-it dude. We up under the car, about to take the steering wheel out the shaft, off the rack and pinion, and we didn't have the star to take it off, but you can also use a 5/16 and it goes right on there. So let's see, can we break it? And we did. Y'all see that? Y'all see it say 5/16? 5/16. Yeah. I'm about to take you down, girl. I'm about to take you down. You really can take it off of 2 spots. You can take it from down here too, but we're gonna go to the top one. Get to it. Make sure your wheels are straight. They are straight, flat. Take your screw out. All right, come on, pull it out. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? The shaft is out, and you see, when you put it back in, it got that indentation. Your screw slide right through it, but it ain't no spline on this end that I take it off on. It's a dip, okay. And you'll always put your screw back the right way. You dig? Y'all see the dip. All right, let's see what we got now, y'all.
Take it down. The top is getting hung on that door.
That's how you remove a BMW. It's an Aki-way.
Alright, y'all, we putting the stern column back in.
Yes, he is.
Hold down now. Don't forget to get y'all 3 little screws back on to hold the boot on now. That plate slide too, y'all, so make sure y'all get it lined up right.
Slide the steering wheel back in.
That's good. Just one, because look, I got to get this little cover. This came off.
You took it off?
No, it came off. That's why I wanted to do that. Yeah, my little cover came off right here. That snap, it got little snaps to snap onto this right here.
Well, we ain't gonna put it back on it.
It snapped back on here right here.
Yeah.
But if it come off, y'all can just snap it back. So basically, that's how it go in there. You just gotta hook everything back up the way that you took it off, all your plugs and your... I'm gonna bolt it back over there. I gotta get that back on now.
I'm probably getting the bolt started. got y'all covered.
Here go one boat right here. They size 13, y'all, too.
Too far. Make sure you get all your bolts started before you tighten these them up. I gotta get to the bottom.
Okay. Now you gotta go to the bottom, to the right.
Alright, y'all. Now we're gonna put this shaft back into here like that. Get your bolt and tighten it back up. That's what they say. Get your 516. 516. Tight as you can get it. And that's all she wrote right there. That's all she wrote, y'all. Y'all see it in there? You can turn it back. We good. And we good to go. And I'll be the fix-it dude. You dig? I'm gonna put it up.
Close off. Oh, well, yeah. Get everything hooked back up. Okay, she locked. Let me see the key.
You gonna get it. We'll see her straight.
Oh. Oh. Okay.
That's what she gonna feel like. Yeah.
Yes, sir, Ski. Yeah. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe on the video and share it.
And I be fix-it dude.